Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I made this winter wonderland. So believe it or not, we're in California and we don't get a white Christmas, but I really wanted to feel like I had a white Christmas. So I have the kind of like different aspects to this. I've got all the trees, all of the garland at the roof line, and then I have the different type of snow on the ground, and finally I have the bubble machine, snow machine thing over in that corner, which is out of frame. Let me show you how I did each kind of part of it. Let's first talk about the trees. So I have 3 different types of trees. A bunch of these are actual just fake Christmas trees that I found on OfferUp or like Facebook Marketplace. Look before the holidays and you can find a lot of them for free or cheap, or look after the holidays and save up for next year. The second thing that I have is I built my own trees. These are like garden posts that you can get at Home Depot for about $4. And then I have a really thick one over here that you can get for $8. And all I did, I used some brackets they use for shelving. I screwed that to a piece of plywood. And then I just made a stand and screwed in. I just screwed a bunch of holes and I just stuck these branches in. Now these branches are actually real trees. You can get real clippings at Home Depot for free. So I just grabbed like 60 of them, I don't even know, but then I just built these trees and they look like real pine trees. Okay, here's how I made the snow machine. I know it looks very janky, but it's making snow, it's doing its job. I got one of these blowers from Home Depot. It's about $100, and then I took this clear plastic tubing that you use for irrigation, and I just ran it and weaved it back and forth and zip tied it into place. And finally I placed this white tool on top of it just to allow the bubbles to form, and I just taped that into place as well. I put this 1-gallon bucket at the top and I filled it with the snow solution. I can link below how you actually mix the snow solution, and then just using gravity it just funnels in and just keeps going for about 20 to 30 minutes. So it's a really good, awesome just snow machine. Like, this is so cool. Let me show you how I made this frosted rooftop garland. So garland can get really, really expensive. You go to Hobby Lobby, you will see what I mean. So I actually used broken Christmas trees that I found on OfferUp, and I just pulled apart all the branches and then I zip tied them together to create this really long, full garland. This is like 3 different layers, might just be 2 layers of branches to make it really full and big. Then I went in with lights and I added these C9 light bulbs that I got at Target for $9. They're the clear kind. And then I came in with a 99-cent store spray foam snow that I just sprayed along the whole top of it so it looked like it snowed from the top. And finally I added this batting that I got on sale from Joann Fabrics, and I just tucked it in right behind and layered it on the roof line so that it looked like it snowed. Isn't that cool? Okay, for the snow, I just wanted to show I did 3 different things. I was gonna do this batting. This is what you put inside of quilting, and I got it on sale on Black Friday at Joann Fabrics for like $2 a yard. It was awesome, but I ran out of it. So then I had this, which is like polyfill, and then I had a bunch of tulle. So there's a bunch of white tulle, polyfill, and batting. That's how I made snow on the ground. The snow machine, and then you know, there's snow on here too. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any specific questions about things that I did in the video, just leave them in the comments and maybe I'll make more in-depth tutorials on how I did stuff. But I have a lot of big projects coming up, so make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next time.